Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Halloween costumes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the California Costume Collection's Holy Hound Pet Costume. Just because you dress your dog like a bishop doesn't mean they'll act like a saint. But it's a hilarious costume, so you might as well. The Holy Hound costume features a bishop's hat and cape with golden and red accents for a pop of color on All Hallows Eve. And you can even dress up as a nun to stay on theme with your pup. The polyester material should be washable, though likely hand wash or spot clean only, and it's said to fit small, medium, and large dogs. However, the design of this costume limits movement, so it likely will not suit highly spirited dogs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Delafer Cowboy Rider Dog Costume. Taking inspiration from old Western movies, this cowboy costume turns your dog into a trusty steed. While the mechanics might seem fragile, pet parents say this costume holds up, even when a dog is running around for hours at a Halloween party. It will provide entertainment for anyone who encounters your dog, and enjoyment to your dog who will no doubt receive lots of attention. The material can be easily washed, and the costume fit seems to work well for dogs as small as Shih Tzus and as big as a Great Pyrenees. As one satisfied dog owner says, everyone sleeps well after the dog rodeo. At number 3, we have the California Costumes UPS Dog Costume. This costume turns the tables on your dog chasing the mailman and transforms them into the mailman, or in this case UPS person. Made with polyester and polyurethane foam arms, this costume fits around your dog's legs and fastens with Velcro behind their neck. It even comes with a cute hat. It's not machine washable, though you can remove the package and hand wash it. And if you want a match with your dog, might we suggest the pairing of Paulette Bonafonte, the hairdresser from Legally Blonde, and the UPS guy. At number 2, we have the Thompson Dog Lion Mane. Let your dog be king, or queen, of the safari with this fun lion's mane. It's referred to as a wig due to all the faux fur, but it really fits over their head like a headband. It's not super sturdy, and will likely come off with a couple head shakes, but it will certainly make for a roaring costume. It doesn't list whether you can machine wash it, but the material is advertised as easy to clean, so you can likely machine wash it cold on a gentle cycle and hang it to dry. And finally at number 1, we have the Ripet Dog Bat Costume. This simple but classic bat costume attaches like a harness to make for easy wear. Made with felt, it wouldn't be machine washable, but you can spot clean as needed. The wings jut out a bit, but the only touch points on your dog are the strap across their chest and the one behind their legs. This is a more secure costume, so it would work well for larger dogs, but since the wings can be reached with a turn of the head, it might not survive a teething puppy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.